Yo, what's up, y'all? It's me again with the Caprice, dressed like a Impala. So I've been working on it. The fuel pump came in the mail, but before I did that, I tried to fix the gas since it was a half a tank anyway. So I used Octane Booster. That one of these. And one of these, and I let it sit from Friday to today. So this is let me see. I'll get that on the screen for you guys. February 13th. So I let it sit in there because it might have been the gas. I thought it might have been bad gas. So I come out here, start it up. First try, it's been running for like a good 5 minutes. Then on my dash, we're running. So I'm going on 5 minutes. I had time to go on my other car, get the phone, pull those little bottles out the back seat, and, you know, pull it. So it's been running. It's pretty low, but it is running on its own. Doesn't sound bad. Yeah. So I haven't changed the fuel pump yet. Only thing I've done is change the fuel filter. I want to say I'm gonna just say change the fuel filter. And I put these Octane boosters in the tank. I left those for a weekend, then came back, and that fixed the problem. So this is what I'm getting now. Pretty good running engine. The alternator is out, so it's running off the jumper cables. So I'm probably gonna do the oil and water sometime this week, but yeah, being lazy paid off, so I got an extra fuel pump when that time comes. So yeah.